Hi, I'm Tadao of Madatsukaerude. Madatsukaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you how I replaced a broken sun visor for Nissan Versa 2009 hatchback Nissan Versa. So my daughter was driving it, and then she just accidentally snapped the arm of the sun visor. So I purchased the old one. It's not really that difficult, but a little bit tricky. So I just decided to make a video out of it. So this is how it went. So this is the sun visor for the Nissan Versa. Obviously, this guy snapped, so my daughter just broke this, and so we have to remove. I think there is this is for the screw. So I'm gonna pop open, and hopefully I found a screw that actually the pins this guy and remove this broken piece. Okay. So this is confusing. It's this part gonna come off, and this part gonna stay. And now I got the two screws, Phillips. Now it's easy. Okay. I think I'm gonna buy the sun visor with this part. Probably this is one piece, so I think I have to buy this part. So I got the new one. It's not really new, it's a used one, but the unbroken one through eBay. It was about $60 or so, and this is the old one, broken one. And comparing this and this, it looks same. So I think now it's easy job. All I have to do is just put the two screws, and mount this on the car. Okay, so I just put the 2 screws here. The angle is a little bit tricky, so I guess a little bit trouble, but now it's on, and all you have to do is put this guy back on. There we go. And now it's on. Okay, great. All right, now it's fixed. All right, thank you very much for watching. Bye.